wouldn't have been here tonight without the birth. I keep repeating it, the birth of a great phenomenal being. A being who is holistic in nature. A being who is divine. A being who has breath and keeps rebirthing lives. Please could you rise up on your feet and acknowledge with me, appraise and applaud with me, His Imperial Majesty. Ooni Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi. A great Arole Oodua, Alashe Orisha. Our one and only powerful Ooni of Ife. Please say Kabiyesi with me. Kabiyesi, we can go on and on. Please kindly be seated. Thank you for adoring and appreciating our Kabiyesi tonight. Everything here tonight wouldn't have been possible without His Imperial Majesty. Kabiyesi, we see you as a landmark to our success. We see you as the very reason why our lives have a meaning. We see you as that strong tool that God is using to raise and give our lives a meaning. We're happy here tonight that the best the best staff is with a brand new car. That wouldn't have been possible without this great phenomenal King's name. That powerful name that opens doors. That powerful name that takes you to places that you ever in your life would have ever expected you ever be. That name that when you knock on that door, it must open. That name that when you ask, you must. It is a must. A name that carries authority. A name that carries glory. A name that carries so much integrity. A name that is God personified and God endorsed. Kabiyesi, everything that's been happening here tonight, everything that pertains to us as an individual, collectively as your staff, it is all because of your integrity. It is all because of your powerful name. It is all because of your personality. Kabiyesi, we are indeed very grateful for your love. We thank you for being approachable. Thank you for giving us a platform to communicate with you. You are always available for us. Anytime we call you, always answer us. You heal, you help so many helpless. You fill those who are starving. And you give us a pedestal, a platform to showcase who we are. I would have been nobody tonight, standing before the entire world, looking at all over the world, if not because of you. Thank you for giving me a platform to serve you. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for supporting the Hopes Alive initiative, keeping as many hopes as possible alive all over the world. We celebrate you not just tonight, but every day of our lives. We will continue to celebrate you. And I stand here on behalf of the entire staff to tell you, Kabiyesi, we love you and God bless you.